Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to discuss about Vue 3 directives with example. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Directives. These are the special tokens in the markup that tell the library to do something to the DOM element. For instance, v if v show for conditional rendering, v for the rendering lists, like if you have the array list and you want to render, so v for that is for loop you can use. V on for the event handling. Okay, so first we will discuss about the v if else, v if and v else. Okay, let's copy this and run this code. Okay, so this is the basically the template. Okay, and this is a script, right? So this is the way that we can write the code into our view part. Okay, so here we go with the template. Just you need to just add copy over here. Let me open the project. So here we go with the project. So it's open. So default file of that one is app view. So whatever it is written over here, it's coming from here. Let's paste this code and save this and try to run this project. Okay, now you can see it's completed. Yes, now you can reload. Now you can see everything is gone. Now whatever I have written, it's come over here. Let's understand the code. Okay, so the main entry file where the all codes come up, that is the app.vue. Okay, main file where you can add your components or something, right? So here we have a template, then we have a div, right? So understand if and the else parameter. Okay, so here we go with that. We have v if and v else. So here by default is visible is true. That means if is visible means if it is true, then this will show if visible is true. So what it shows, this will show if visible is true. Make it false, then what happens? Save this, and that means second line should show, right? False. You can see this will show if v is visible is false. So this is conditional rendering, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see in the next video. Have a great day.